I always knew I wanted to earn a master's degree. What I didn't know was that I could start before finishing my bachelor's.
The Accelerated Master's Program, AMP or AMP, allows high-achieving CSU undergraduates to begin graduate-level coursework early and transition seamlessly from a bachelor's degree into a master's program. Once you've completed 75 undergraduate credits and have a 3.0 GPA or higher, you can apply to an accelerated master's program. Through AMP, you may take up to 9 graduate credits that can count toward both your undergraduate and master's degree.
I chose AMP because it allowed me to start specializing in my passions while still finishing my undergraduate degree. Through AMP, I'm able to stay fully invested in my education at an accelerated pace and begin learning the skills of a future profession I truly care about.
AMP is ideal for students who are motivated to complete their degree quickly, focused, and ready to commit to a master's program.
With my degree, I'll be able to apply the professional and practical skills I've learned to make a positive impact on animal welfare and support pet owners, especially those navigating behavioral challenges. In the future, I hope to work with pet owners through behavior consultations and behavior modification plans, helping keep pets in their homes and out of shelters.
Earn 2 degrees in less time. Ask your advisor about CSU's Accelerated Master's Program.